Artificial intelligence, AI, has become a transformative force across industries, presenting unparalleled opportunities for financial success. By harnessing the power of AI and combining it with innovative approaches, entrepreneurial spirit, and a commitment to continuous learning, you can unlock the potential for substantial financial gains. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make $10,000 per month using AI tools. Without further ado, let's begin. Identify a lucrative niche. To maximize your earning potential, it's crucial to identify a lucrative niche where AI tools can be applied effectively. Conduct thorough market research to identify industries or sectors that are ripe for disruption or improvement through AI technologies. Consider areas such as e-commerce, digital marketing, finance, healthcare, or real estate. By focusing on a specific niche, you can become an expert in that domain and leverage AI tools to provide valuable solutions to industry challenges. Develop expertise in AI. To effectively utilize AI tools, it's essential to acquire a solid understanding of AI principles, techniques, and technologies. Invest time in learning the fundamentals of machine learning, deep learning, and data analytics. Online courses, tutorials, and resources provided by platforms like Coursera, edX, and DataCamp can help you develop the necessary skills. Additionally, actively participate in AI communities, attend conferences, and engage in networking opportunities to stay updated with the latest advancements in the field. Leverage AI-powered marketing. AI tools offer powerful capabilities for enhancing marketing efforts and driving revenue. Utilize AI-powered marketing automation platforms like Salesforce, Marketo, or HubSpot to streamline your marketing campaigns, optimize lead generation, and improve customer engagement. Leverage AI-driven personalization to deliver targeted and relevant content to your audience, increasing conversion rates and driving sales. Implement AI chatbots and virtual assistants to provide seamless customer support and enhance the overall customer experience. Explore AI-powered e-commerce. E-commerce presents vast opportunities for generating substantial income using AI tools. Consider building an online store or leveraging existing platforms like Shopify, Magento, or WooCommerce. Employ AI-driven product recommendation engines to upsell and cross-sell products based on customer preferences and browsing behavior. Use AI algorithms to optimize pricing strategies, inventory management, and demand forecasting, ensuring efficient operations and increased profitability. Monetize AI-generated data. AI thrives on data, and in the era of big data, there are numerous opportunities to monetize data-driven insights. Explore options like becoming a data consultant, providing data analytics services, or building predictive models for businesses in need of data-driven decision-making. Additionally, consider developing AI-powered data products, such as predictive analytics dashboards, market trend reports, or customer behavior analysis tools, and offer them as subscription-based services to generate recurring revenue. Create AI-powered content. Content creation is another avenue where AI tools can be utilized to generate income. Explore AI-powered content generation tools like GPT-3, ChatGPT, or Copy. AI, which can assist in writing blog posts, articles, product descriptions, or social media content. Combine your domain expertise with AI-generated content to deliver high-quality and engaging materials, attracting a larger audience and potentially securing paid partnerships, sponsorships, or advertising opportunities. Develop AI-driven software solutions. If you have programming skills, consider developing AI-driven software solutions tailored to specific industry needs. Identify pain points within a target market and design AI-powered applications or platforms that address those challenges. This could range from developing chatbots for customer service to creating AI-driven workflow automation tools or predictive analytics software. By offering innovative AI solutions, you can generate substantial revenue through software sales, licensing, or service subscriptions. Collaborate and consult. Collaboration and consultancy can be lucrative avenues to leverage your AI expertise. Partner with other businesses, startups, or entrepreneurs who can benefit from AI-driven insights or solutions. Offer consulting services where you can provide strategic advice, develop AI roadmaps, or help businesses implement AI technologies effectively. By sharing your expertise and knowledge, you can generate income through project-based collaborations, retainer agreements, or revenue-sharing models. Invest in AI-driven financial instruments. Another strategy to generate income is to invest in AI-driven financial instruments. Explore AI-powered trading platforms or robo-advisors that utilize AI algorithms to identify profitable investment opportunities. However, exercise caution and perform thorough research before engaging in any investment activities, as financial markets carry inherent risks. Continuous learning and adaptation. The field of AI is rapidly evolving, and staying ahead requires a commitment to continuous learning and adaptation. Keep abreast of the latest developments in AI technologies, algorithms, and tools. Explore emerging AI trends such as natural language processing, computer vision, or reinforcement learning, and assess how they can be applied to your chosen niche. Offer AI training and education. As AI continues to reshape industries, there is a growing demand for professionals seeking to acquire AI skills. Consider creating an online course or training program where you can teach others the fundamentals of AI, machine learning, or data analytics. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable provide a convenient way to monetize your expertise and generate passive income through course sales or subscriptions. Develop AI-powered mobile applications. The mobile app market is thriving, and integrating AI capabilities into your app can set you apart from the competition. Identify a problem or need within a specific niche and develop an AI-powered mobile application to address it. This could range from AI-driven virtual assistants to intelligent personal finance management tools. Provide AI-based business process automation. Many businesses are seeking ways to streamline their operations and improve efficiency. Offer AI-driven business process automation solutions that can optimize workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and enhance productivity. By leveraging AI technologies like robotic process automation (RPA) or natural language processing (NLP), you can provide businesses with tailored automation solutions, charging fees based on the value delivered or on a recurring basis. Become an AI freelancer. Freelancing platforms like Upwork or Freelancer offer opportunities to showcase your AI skills and connect with clients in need of AI expertise. Create a profile highlighting your AI capabilities and offer services such as data analysis, AI model development, or AI system implementation. Achieving a monthly income of $10,000 using AI tools requires a combination of knowledge, strategic thinking, and perseverance. By identifying a lucrative niche, developing expertise in AI, leveraging AI-powered marketing and e-commerce, monetizing data insights, creating AI-powered content, developing software solutions, collaborating and consulting, investing wisely, and embracing continuous learning, you can unlock the potential for substantial financial gains. Remember, success comes with dedication, adaptability, and a relentless pursuit of excellence in the dynamic world of AI-driven opportunities. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.